So, what exactly does a human connection and wellness architect do? Think about an architect. Before they build anything, they look at the structure, where it's strong, where there are cracks, and what needs to change for the whole thing to function better. That's what I do with people and organizations. I look beneath the surface of things like burnout, disengagement, conflict, bullying, poor communication, stress, and disconnection, because those are often symptoms of something deeper. Then, using psychology, neuroscience, experiential learning, and human connection, I create workshops and experiences that help people reconnect with themselves, with each other, and with the communities they're part of. I work with students, parents, educators, leaders, and workplace teams because wellness doesn't exist in isolation. Healthy people help create healthier systems, and healthier systems make it easier for people to thrive. That's why I call myself a human connection and wellness architect. I don't just deliver workshops, I help build environments where people feel seen, connected, supported, and better equipped to thrive. If your school, organization, or team needs more than another wellness activity, let's talk about what we can build together.